Life is full of ups and downs. Sometimes everything goes smoothly, and other times, events outside our control can turn our world upside down. This is where a philosophy that has guided people for thousands of years comes into play. Stoicism. Stoicism is a philosophy of life that argues that happiness and tranquility depend not on external events, but on our own mental and emotional state. How so? At the heart of Stoicism lies the distinction between what we can control and what we cannot. The weather, traffic, other people's opinions, these are outside our control. However, our thoughts, emotions, and reactions are within our control. Stoics advise us to focus on what we can control, our inner world, instead of wasting energy on what we cannot. You're stuck in traffic. Getting angry and honking won't change the situation. Instead, you can choose to stay calm, maybe listen to a podcast or do some deep breathing exercises. The most important thing for Stoics is to be virtuous. Virtue means doing what is right, being honest, just, courageous, and pursuing wisdom. Stoics believe that the only path to true happiness is living a virtuous life. What does it mean to live in accordance with nature? In Stoicism, nature refers to the flow and order of the universe. Living in accordance with nature means accepting the order of the universe, accepting what is as it is, and not resisting. This doesn't mean accepting fatalism. On the contrary, it means accepting events outside our control instead of resisting them, and focusing our energy on what we can control. Instead of being upset that it's raining, you can accept that rain is a part of nature, take steps to stay dry, and enjoy the sound and smell of the rain. Stoicism is a powerful philosophy that can help us find peace and happiness in a complex and challenging world. By learning to accept what we cannot control, focusing on what we can control, and living a virtuous life, we can live a calmer, more resilient, and happier life. Remember, Stoicism isn't just ancient philosophy. It's a practical guide for modern life. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to start. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.